Okay guys, this is a configuration of one router connected to 3 switches that are chained together. Each one will be trunking VLAN information to the next one. The first one will be VLAN 1 or VLAN 10. Second one will be VLAN 20 and then VLAN 30 on the third switch. So each one of these will be connected to a DHCP server which will run on this, and all the trunking information for the VLANs will be trunked off of one interface. Now let's see. I'm going to do basic stuff. I'm not going to do the heavy stuff. Let's see. Okay, so you'll see that the router port is FA00. So what we're going to do is we're going to do sub interfaces so that we can apply each sub interface to a different IP address and then apply DHCP to those IP addresses, and then each one of those will be in a different VLAN, and then the switch will communicate with the router to determine what VLAN that computer will be on. Okay, let's get started. Interface FA 0/0 dot 1. That will be our first interface. We'll make this easy. IP address 192.168.1.1/24. Ah, yeah, here we go. Let's see. You have to do your encapsulation. Encap.1, and then we'll set this for the 10 VLAN. Leave native off. Now we can set the IP address. Okay. I always do a no shut. It's probably not required. I'm not real sure, but it's just, whenever I apply IP address, I just no shut the portal. Let's see. Let's move on to the next interface. Interface FA00.2. That'll be our 20 network. Encap.1Q, and we'll do 20. IP address 192.168.2.1/24. No shut. Interface FA 0/0.3. Encap.1 30. IP address 192.168.3.1. Okay. Now we'll configure FA 0/0 to do just a no shut. That way we bring the port status up. Now you'll notice that FA 0.0.1, 0.2, and 0.3 also came up when I enabled that port. That way, with that port down, no traffic will ever go out of that port unless you enable it. Even if there's no IP address assigned to it, you just do a no shut and it brings the port up. Now I'll do the IP routes. Let's see. .1.0. We'll put it on 0/0.1 with a 192.168.2.0 /24. FA 0/0.2 with a 1 matrix, and then IP address, let's see, IP route 192.168.3.0. FA 0/0.3 with a 1 metric. Now I'll set up the DHCP pools. IP DHCP pool, and then we'll set this as net 10 for the 1.1 network. Let's see, network is 192.168.1.0. 255.255.255.0/24. That'll be it. And then I'll do default route 192.168.1.1. I'm not going to do an exclusion, so all the PCs in this list will be 1.2, 2.2, 3.2. I'll just do no exclusions. Okay, exit that. Then we'll do IP DHCP pool net 20. Network is 192.168.2.0. Default is 192.168.2.1. We'll exit that. IP address, IP DHCP pool net 30. 192.168.3.0. Default 168.3.1. Write the memory, and that's configured.